Back at it again, man. Big CEO BJ, let's get it. So look, I'm taking his hair down with a one guard, I believe. Yeah. So y'all lock in, man. I know y'all niggas don't know how to cut like that. So hey. Alright, start off with the first guideline. He want to go with the high boosty fade. So I said, okay, cool. You know what's going on. Big CEO BJ back in this mug. So yes, sir. Let's go. First guideline. Removing all of the hair, making it even, all the way around. So that's the first step. I'm using my JRLs, chill day. I'm starting right there at the corner. Just like that. Just like that. Now I'm going back over with the trimmers to get his skin, because he wanted the skin bald fade as high as we can go. So yeah, first set the first guideline, then go back over with the trimmers. Just like that. Don't go above that line. Removing all the hair with the blower. Let's go. Lever all the way open. I'm going about 1/2 inch up. I'm still flicking out. And boy, you cannot be scared when you do this. Because look at that shit right there. Keep going. Just stay consistent, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't panic. Because I know it look crazy, but wait for the results. I ain't playing with y'all folks, man. And yes, I'm doing the corner like that on purpose. Just stay tuned. So now I'm going to I went it halfway on the lever. Going below that line I just set. Making sure I'm keeping my canvas clean. Staying consistent. So I went with the one guard closed. I went all in. But for beginners, definitely do it open. I just go straight into my fades. I don't really mind because I know how to get the lines out. So I went closed, went up 1/2 inch again. Going with the grain and against the grain until I get my desired look. You just gotta stay consistent, man. It's like, you can set your guidelines however you want to. As long as you're consistent, everything is even. Just like how y'all seen that heavy line at first, just right there in the corner. See how I start blending it out. As long as you stay consistent, know where you at with it, you'll be straight. As long as you watch my videos and subscribe and like it, you'll be straight. A little back and forth action as you see. Making sure everything flow nice and smooth. Now I'm going with the 1.5. I'm going against the grain as you see. That's another guideline. I'm holding the clippers like that just because it's like a comfort level. And also show y'all it doesn't matter how you hold the clippers. I mean, it does, don't get me wrong, but I'm just saying as far as like how I'm doing that fade in that area, that's why I'm doing it like that. But if you want to know and learn the proper way to hold your implements and tools and equipment, I do offer classes as well. Just so you can know how to do it the professional way, proper techniques, all of those good things. Trust the process, like I said. So I'm going over work again. I'm detailing it as well, making sure I'm blending everything nice and smooth. No lines, no hard lines. Staying consistent, because consistency is key. Like I said, man, November will be 5 years. And I was self-taught. Go over as many times as you need to, piece by piece. We just chopping it up, we just chilling. So now I'm just making the transition very smooth. Doing a little bit of detail work. About to get him ready for his facial soon. I'm about to prep his scalp while he's getting the facial so the results will be hitting. I'm working on his beard right now, fading in a little bit. Use my Barber, one of my favorite go-tos. I always rock out with Barber. I like Style Crowd too, they do their thing. Look at the placement, look how I'm holding those trimmers. Tap and pull. Same thing for this side, the other side. Just going over again, make sure everything is scanned. Just like that. Fading out. Then I'm finna line up everything. Smooth process, smooth transition. See how everything is coming together. I'm gonna detail some more of his fade and everything else. See how I'm using my comb to make my clients move. You don't have to like touch them, you know. See how I kind of wait till he stopped talking, like I was making my time efficient by fading the beard, let him talk, say what he gotta say, then went right back to it. So it's all about how you move, you know, you don't gotta be rude or nothing. Prepping his scalp, got the foam, some mousse, making everything even and smooth. Gonna brush it down, prep everything. Cause mind you, his hair was not that length at first, so it's definitely a transition. Gotta get my Dyson out. A lot of cheap barbers rock out with the regular degular. Not sliced, buddy boy. Big BJ, man, y'all know how much them Dysons is. Go get y'all one. Especially if you shampoo and condition a lot frequently like I do. I'm actually about to go get the newest one soon, but not now. Flattening his hairline, rocking out the do-rag. Gonna pull it down, make sure it's very tight. Smooth, boom. About to rock out with the facial. Clean him up. And he's going natural. No enhancements. For all the makeup artists, you know, I know how to rock out with enhancements too, but like I say all the time, more of a natural barber. Y'all gotta lock in the premium service, man. Y'all see what it come with. Mind you, I shampooed and conditioned his hair as well. I'm tired of hearing barbers saying wash or whatever y'all be saying, but The proper terms is shampoo and conditioning. Go to barber school, get licensed, understand the difference. Please. This is not YouTube anniversary or universe. However, whatever y'all say in school, YouTube, whatever, is not it. YouTube University. No. This is proper skill. Stop playing. Y'all can go buy all this other stuff, but y'all can't invest into yourself and go to school. Get it together. YouTube University, to be exact. I said anniversary, but I don't care. You know why? Because you got to get next to me, buddy boy. This barbering, let's go. Okay, rocking out with sponge. Y'all can't be scared to actually service y'all clients. Y'all bare minimum barbers out here. I've been seeing y'all on YouTube. Yeah, I'm coming for the win. That's why I'm on this now. Y'all see how I really get active. Playtime's over. All y'all barbers that been giving y'all years to do y'all little content is cool. But guess what? Y'all getting the raw and uncut. Any barber on YouTube want to try me or challenge me, run it. Because I'm the hardest on the universe. I don't care whatever y'all, whatever. Call my bluff, it is what it is. We can go straight shear work, no clipper. We can go no guard. We can go whatever. Blunt cuts, layers, bobs, all that. Women hair too, locks too. I do locks as well, style, so it is what it is. I ain't just no barber. And I'm a master exact, so let's get it. At that. And I'm licensed. Any barber on YouTube, call my bluff. And I ain't putting no names out there because y'all know who I'm talking about. Try me if you want to. Enhancement King and all this and that, man. Y'all see how I get at it with this natural cut. Y'all see the blend. I made YouTube just to show y'all how to really get down, actually. I don't care how many years y'all been doing it, this and that, whatever. Applesauce might look the same, but it don't taste the same, just like macaroni. And I'm not no corny YouTuber either. All these long intros, and I get straight to it. Like I said, if y'all want to learn too, y'all can book for my sessions, my classes as well. Any YouTube barber, whatever y'all want to call it, quote unquote celebrity barber, yeah. Call it what you want. Get next to me, man. Big CEO BJ or Slice. Follow me, like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Every time you see it on his face.